Three Trees New Architecture Coatings Application. This application video will provide you with detailed introduction about the application method of Three Trees Masonry New Architecture Coatings product. All the four masonry featured products are applicable to the cement mortar, mixed mortar, concrete slab, poured concrete, block, brick wall, and exterior wall with the basement of polymer cement mortar. Large area application on the exterior wall of old and new architecture. The tools and supplies needed for application are the same, including putty knife or scraper, sandpaper, flat roller, brush, masking tape, protective film, roller, air compressor, mixer, a special gun and marking tools, cleaning tools, safety tools, and so on. The following introduction is in accordance with the series of the products. Three Trees Masonry Stone Paint Rock Chip Paint Application. Three Trees Masonry Stone Paint Rock Chip Paint is prepared by various colors of natural stone powder. The decoration effect is just like marble, granite with the same attribute of real stone. For example, fireproofing, water resistance, acid and alkali resistance, and anti-stain. Besides, it has many features like non-toxic, odorless, no radiation, no fading, and high adhesion. Now we'll give you a detailed introduction about the application process of stone paint, rock chip paint. Materials in need: Three Trees Exterior Wall Putty, Three Trees Masonry Paint Primer, Three Trees Masonry Paint Stone Paint, Rock Chip Paint, Three Trees Masonry Matching Top Coating. Step 1. Substrate Treatment. Substrate checking. The substrate shall be flat, clean, and non-flake. Dust weather and rainy day are not suitable for application. Step 2. Apply putty. Evenly apply to ensure the flat, firm, and evenly spread standard when applying putty. With each coat, no more than 2 millimeters. Step 3. Putty polishing. Select suitable sanding method and tools to sand the putty, apply marks and convex and concave spots until they are flat and smooth. Water maintaining 2 to 3 times. Step 4. Sealing treatment. Evenly apply Three Trees matching primer onto the surface of putty layer. The dividing line should be drawn if there are dividing strips. You should paint the color of the dividing lines first until the color is completely dry, then adopting the masking tape to cover it. Only when the sealer is completely dry, you can take the next step. Step 5. Spray Three Trees Masonry Paint Stone Paint. Before using masonry paint, stone paint, stir it evenly with water proportionally. Generally, spray 2 times. Please note that the air compressor needs to be 8 air pressure. The spray gun has to be perpendicular to the wall. The distance between the nozzle and the wall has to be 40 to 60 centimeters. Spray the wall evenly. The thickness of the film need to be 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters. If using 2 guns or more guns, you should be spraying it again before the touch dry of the previous application. After spraying, remove the masking tape immediately. If you cannot remove the tape, you can use a knife to rip it. Please be aware of protecting of the film. Only when the masonry paint, stone paint, is completely dry, you can take the next step. Step 6. Apply 3 Trees masonry paint, matching top coating. Evenly apply the top coating to form in one time. Avoid thick or thin application. If spraying is adopted, the spray pressure is 4 to 6 air pressure. Three Trees masonry paint, stone paint, rock chip paint was taken in nature for architecture use. The building which adopts masonry paint, stone paint, has natural color with elegant harmony, solemn beauty. Suitable for all kinds of building decoration, especially adopting in the curved surface buildings. People will feel its vivid, return to natural aesthetic beauty.